Okay, good afternoon, Amrita, Naeem, Ronit Datto. Somnath. So how many are in the call? 13 students. Good afternoon, Shraddha. Okay. So students, first tell me, have I discussed the definition of segment, minor segment, major segment, and also yeah, okay, I have discussed. So let's start from the okay, good afternoon. So now today we'll discuss sector. Sector, have I discussed sector? Have I discussed sector in your class? Yes, okay, sector. So I am writing the definition of sector. The part of the plane region enclosed by the arc and to its bounding radii is called sector. Okay, so sector means, first write down the definition of sector. Okay, and sector means, that is okay. Yes, I am discussing the circle having center O. Circle having center O. Okay, now draw two radius, that is OA and OB. That portion is called sector. That portion is called sector. And what it is bounding, because the sector bounded by arc and to radius, to radii, plural form of radius, radii. That's why it is called radii. Bounding. Okay. So the radius means plane region. Plane. First of all, why it is plane region? We know that circle, square, rectangle, these are the plane figure. These are the that can be drawn on a plane region. That's why I have mentioned that word plane region. Okay. And it is bounded by an arc and two of its radius or radii. That's why it is called bounding, and that region, that area is called sector. Got it? Which portion? A sector means the area bounded by an arc and its two radius is called sector. The sector means a plane region bounded by an arc and its two radius is called sector. Another example, that is this is also a sector. It is the radius, it is two radii and arc. that area in the middle area is called, the enclosed area is called sector. Any problem, anyone? Okay, anyone else? Rajanna, is any problem? Okay, Amrita, Nafisa? Okay, Shraddha, no problem. So now the students, that angle is called theta. Theta means, as algebra, in algebra a number is denoted by x. In trigonometry the angle is measured, in trigonometry angle is measured by theta. Theta is a fixed angle. Okay, theta, that angle of two radius is called theta. Now one thing students, a sector, is that portion a sector? Is that portion a sector? That portion, that circle? Oh, radius Mozammel, yes, okay. Ashraful, okay. It has only one radii. Anyone else? Yes, it is a Rajanna. You can say it is segment. You can say it is segment, but it is also the sector. It is also the sector from here to bounding radius and this arc. That's why it is sector. Okay, now tell me, here that angle is theta. I take it 60 degree. It is looking that like 60 degree. What will be the angle? What will be the sector angle? What will be the sector angle in this case? What will be the sector angle in this case? Yes, 180 degree. 180 degree is the sector angle. 180 degree is the sector angle. Okay? Yes. So that is sector. Next, quadrant. What is quadrant? Actually, you have heard this word in coordinate geometry. That is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Okay, that quadrant is same. Now, quadrant means 1/4 part part of circular region or circular disc is called 1/4 part of a circular disc is called quadrant. It's called quadrant. Okay. 1/4 part of a circular region. For example, if it is a circle, O is the center. Now divide it into 4 equal parts. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay. Each parts are called quadrant. That is, just remember, that is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. These parts are called quadrant. Okay. Any problem? Sorry sir, your voice. Now, okay. Okay. Now any problem on regarding quadrant? Quadrant means if a circle is divided into 4 parts, each part is called quadrant. Okay. Okay. No sir means, oh. Tell me any confusion regarding quadrant. Tell me. Sir, if the angle in a sector, yes, very good, SK Mozammel, yes. If the angle is 90 degree, then it forms a quadrant. Yes, Mozammel is right that if angle, it is called also sector, and sector having angle 90 degree, that is the quadrant. Okay, it is total angle 360, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 360. Okay, that is the sector. Sorry, quadrant. Okay, any problem? Any problem? No problem, sir. Okay. Next, cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. First, before that, tell me. Yesterday I have discussed cyclic points, concyclic points. Okay. What do you mean by concyclic points? What do you mean by concyclic points? Tell me. Points on the circumference. All points, if they are lying on the circumference of a same circle, those points are called concyclic points. Here, cyclic quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral means if all 4 vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circumference on a same circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Is called cyclic quadrilateral. For an example, just circle and a quadrilateral PQRS. PQRS, these 4 points are lying on the circumference of the circle, then PQRS will be a cyclic quadrilateral, a quadrilateral inside the circle having all vertices on the circumference. Yes, that is right. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Got it? Any problem regarding cyclic quadrilateral? Tell me. Tell me first, Rajanna, Amrita, Nafisa. No sir, okay, very good. And write it down also. Write it down also. Okay, you can watch it later because this video will be uploaded in YouTube. Okay. Now one thing students, you should remember that angle, sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degree. Okay, again I am saying sum of the cyclic quadrilateral of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay, then tell me what will be the value of angle P plus angle R? What will be the value of angle P plus angle R? Tell me quickly. 180 degree, Rajanna, very good. Okay. Amrita, 180 degree. Mahek, 180 degree. Then what will be the value of angle Q plus angle S? Angle Q plus angle S, 180 degree. As we know that sum of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree, then angle P plus angle R equal to 180 degree, angle Q plus angle S, that is also 180 degree. Okay. So students, I think all the terms related to circle is in your syllabus. I have discussed from circle definition to cyclic quadrilateral. I have discussed. Next day I will try to solve first theorem of circle, but before that I have a problem. Can I send picture some? Kinjal, that question you will asked in e-portal, okay, not here. In e-portal you can ask. Okay, tell me, just watch that figure. Watch that figure. So many things are written, some lines are drawn there. Okay, you have to mention within 2 minutes. You have to mention how many things you can find, what that which I have discussed in the class. How many things you can find here. How many things you can find here. You can identify from the picture what I have discussed in the class. Okay, tell me quickly, and with the name also. If it is chord, tell me the name of the chord in one feedback. Rajanna, I have said with name, not chord, sector, tangent. You have to mention with name. in everyone should answer in one answer, one comment. When one comment, that one for a chord, one for radius, one for, you will not do this in this way. Okay, in one comment you have to answer all the things, otherwise it is very much impossible to identify. Again you are xy is chord, nothing is there. XY is called Ashraful, nothing is there. In one answer, in one reply, you have to mention all these things. Okay, Mozammel chord XY like this, yes. Mozammel XY, chord, diameter, AB, radius, OL, very good. Tangent, SMP. Mozammel, something is missing there. Amrita, XY is chord, AB is diameter, BOL is sector, SP is the tangent, point of contact, oh very good. But I have right here another things, one thing is missing there. AB diameter, sector, tangent, tangent হয়ে গেছে, tangent. Okay, Rajanna, also two things is missing there. Okay, M is the point of contact and O is the center, OB radius. Okay, Mozammel answer says segment. Yes, you can say segment. Okay, stop here. I am discussing all these things. Okay, stop here. No one will answer from now. Okay, look at the board only. First of all, how many things? So many things are there. Look at the board. First of all, 1, XY is the chord. Okay, IJ, that is second. AOB radius, sorry, diameter. D for diameter. Okay, OL radius. SMP, SP diameter, tangent. 6, M is the point of contact. 7, O is the center. 8, okay, I am writing here 8. Okay, 8, BOL, goal is sector. 9, that portion, these are the segment. Okay, and AXYB semicircle, and XY 11, XY arc. Okay, so 11 things you can identify from this figure, and all of you are giving 5 or 6 things definition. Okay, got it? Okay, so students, I hope all the terms which I have discussed in the class, it is clear to you and everyone. From video you should write all the definition and in your copy and memorize it. Okay, these are very much important. Today I end this class here, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in the e-portal. I will try to solve your question, solve your doubt. Okay, thank you, bye.